Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Harmony One, whose current price stands at the $0.0301 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 4.07%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances, and also show you the key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Harmony One, from the all-time high, has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.16 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice pump to the upper side. Starting my analysis here on the daily chart. Here on the daily chart you can see we had been trading within this descending channel, and we managed to break out of that descending channel to the upper side. We have also managed to break above a key area of resistance. We have even seen a retest here on the daily chart, and that means higher prices could be coming our way if the retest is a success. Jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis. Here on the 4-hour chart you can see from the moment we made that low at around the $0.16 mark, we had been making a series of highs because the buyers were trying to take over the market, but at some point they lost it to the sellers, and the sellers took us back to around the $0.18 mark, which is a key area of support. And from there we have started to see a very nice bounce to the upper side. We found support at around the $0.21 mark, and in that movement to the upper side we have also been trading within this channel, and within the channel we have also managed to break above a key area of resistance, so a retest over here, then we continued pushing even higher, and yesterday we managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.02942 mark. And on the charts at the moment you are seeing this is a retest here on the 4-hour chart, and once the retest is a success, then higher prices could be coming our way. In this movement to the upper side we also had the formation of a head and shoulders pattern, which was right here, having this as the head down here, and the movement that we are in, this is what was forming the right shoulder of that head and shoulders pattern, and we have seen the breakout out of that chart pattern here on the charts. Also basing my analysis on the Elliot waves so that I can get the key scenarios that I expect to play out, we can have this movement as an Elliot wave count, having this movement over here as the first wave. Then we saw a retracement to the lower side in a wave 2, and the movement that we are in at the moment, this is what is forming a wave 3 to the upper side, and I expect to see a retracement in a wave 4 and then continue pushing higher in a wave 5. And using a trend-based Fibonacci, we can get the target area of that third wave to the upper side, and to do that I'll be connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gives me a target area at around the $0.03684 mark, and that is at the fib level 1.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts using a red target area. So this is the area that I expect us to continue pushing higher to. If that movement plays out here on the charts, that is what will be forming a wave 3 to the upper side, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect. Now that you have managed to break above a key area of resistance here on the charts, we are now seeing a retest of that key area of resistance. It's possible that once the retest is a success and we continue unlocking even higher prices, we could get into that red target area to complete the formation of a wave 3 to the upper side, and once that happens, then I would expect to see a retracement to the lower side in a wave 4, and then even continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5, and this is a fractal wave of a higher Elliot wave count 1. So once we see the formation of a wave 5, then we can name that as a higher Elliot wave count 1, and once we maximize our target area that is within that red target area, we can then have a target area for a wave 4 to the lower side, and because a wave 4 is a retracement of the wave 3, I just need to use the Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3, that will be within that red target area. then we can get the minimum retracement area of that wave 4 to the lower side between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated. And it's also possible that as we try to have a retest of this key area of resistance, we can lose that key area of support, and in case that happens, then lower prices could be coming our way, and that movement could take us to around the $0.02369 mark, which is a key area of support. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 57 mark, and that would mean we have room for us to support any movement to the upper side. In case we manage to have a retest and continue pushing higher to get into our target area, that movement here on the RSI will be supported. Also any movement to the lower side on the RSI will be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have printed a bearish cross, and that would mean lower prices could be coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep